Hello my beauties, so how you're all? I'm Akriti Verma and I make videos on makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle and a lot more. So my beauties, in today's video we are going to talk about something which is actually dealt by every personality once in their lifetime. That is nothing but a pimple, acne or a scar. So basically the pimple, acne and scars are something like which is most of the time deals by the teenagers, right? So, firstly, the very first thing that I wanted to tell you is pimple is not something which is only a pimple. Pimple do have a lot many subtypes, do have a lot many reasons, right? So, firstly, let's talk on that. Pimple do have a lot many subheadings. It can be cyst, it can be because of the microbial growth, it can be because of our hormonal changes, it can be because of dirt, because of, and the major subtypes for the pimple is the papules and the pustules. Papules and pustules are the pimples which are actually sometimes formed by the whiteheads, and also they are formed by the comedones. So if you are having these sort of acne, please don't listen to anyone, don't believe on anything, because it is something which can only be treated by a doctor and not by any sort of home remedy or anything. Please don't ever believe to anyone if you are dealing with such sort of pimples, right? Apart from that, one thing that I wanted to tell you is there was a moment when I had also gone through a lot many pimples on my face, the acne and the scars. At that moment I only to visited to the doctor, and if you also the residential of Lucknow, then going to civil, and there is actually a doctor, a skin doctor, basically a dermat, right? So आप सिविल जा सकते हो, that is सिविल का और नेम क्या है? सॉरी आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, राइट, बट सिविल या लखनऊ के सभी लोग जानते हैं व्हाट इज सिविल. सो बेसिकली आप वहाँ पे विजिट कर सकते हो, एंड व्हेन यू will ask for the appointment of a skin doctor, they will recommend you there, because I think they have only one skin doctor there. And I must say, I went to him, and just because of him my skin is today doing so well, because before 2 years my skin was drastic. Means I don't know what happens to this skin. Means it was showing some of the hilarious. Oof, I actually don't want to recall those moments because it was actually something which I never wanted in my life. So the products which I was recommended at that moment were, there was a face moisturizer, there was a face wash, and there was also a gel. So the face moisturizer which I was recommended was from the brand Glow, which actually most of the dermat recommend. Because Glow is such a gentle moisturizer, it's so fragrance free and it's so gentle on your skin, and it's for all the skin types, doesn't matter which the skin types the person belongs to. And more than that, there was a Glow face wash which was also so gentle, it was again for all the skin types. And these are the products which are basically meant for acne and scars, right? And then I was also recommend to go for a clindamycin gel, which I was allowed only to apply on the place where do I have the pimple. I just have to apply that on my pimple, and I have to give it rest for an hour and not more than that. And after that I have to give a nice wash with only water, a normal water, and that was it. And then I have to follow it with a nice with a glow face moisturizer, right? So that was the my things, or it was my treatment which was recommended to me by my dermat. And more than that, I was also recommended some of the pills that was zinc and azithromycin. Azithromycin is basically an antibiotic because I was having some of the bacterial growth on my face, that's why. And then another zinc which is actually very good for your skin and hairs, that is a supplement which our body needed. So these are the my things which was recommended to me. The face mask, I will not recommend you to go for the pills and something, but also I will not recommend you for the clindamycin because that is something which is so full of chemicals. So if you are going for clindamycin, please go and talk to physician or a doctor, then only go for that gel. Apart from that, please don't believe person just like this, because everyone's skin is so different. So before using this, please talk to doctor. Apart from that, a glow face moisturizer and face wash is something like that, yeah, you can go for, right? But before that also, it will be such a better option that if you're going to have conversation with your doctor or a physician or a dermat, that will be a better option. Okay, is the things you have to avoid when you are having pimples and acne on your face. That is, never ever share your face towel with anyone, even not with your body, because our body is so different from our face. So please don't go for that. The next tip that I will be sharing with you, please don't touch your acne or pimple, because the moment when you are touching it, that bacteria does transfer to your hands, and when you are touching to another place, it is actually a mode of transferring pimples from one place to another. So it may get to your all over the face. So don't go for that. Tip 3 is never ever use a scrub if you are actually dealing with a pimple and scars, because scrub is something which actually can make the situation worse than worse. Then the fourth tip is, please don't go for the moisturizer or the face wash which have so much of fragrance in it, which are so much full of chemical. Avoid these things, because that can actually make the your facial situation so bad. The fifth and the very most important tip is, don't ever use makeup for a long time when you are having pimples or acne on your face, because makeup is something, हाँ डेफिनेटली हम मेकअप करते हैं जब हमें एक्नीज वगैरह हो जाते हैं टू हाइड आर फॉल्सेस, राइट, बट प्लीज डोंट डू दैट, एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट, only do it for a short period of time, and please never ever sleep with your makeup, because that is actually something which is not at all good for your skin. So please don't go for that. I will be telling you some of the tips as a precaution if you want to protect your face from the pimples and acne. Very first thing, again, never to share your face towel with anything, not even for with your body. Next step, that please never ever share your makeup with anyone, makeup brushes or a makeup puff. थर्ड थिंग, प्लीज़ इफ़ यू आर ऑयलिंग योर हेयर्स, तो उसके बाद डेफिनेटली अपना फेस वॉश अच्छे से फेस वॉश से क्लीन करो, बिकॉज वो ऑयल जब हम हेयर पे लगाते हैं डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं से आता है, दैट कैन एक्चुअली बी अ कॉज ऑफ एन एक्ने. सो नेवर डू दैट. द फोर्थ टिप इज टू वॉश योर पिलो कवर सो फ्रीक्वेंटली, बिकॉज पिलो कवर आर समथिंग लाइक जिसपे हमारा फेस डायरेक्टली टच होता है, एंड डेली जब हम उस पर सो रहे होते हैं तो हमारे हेयर्स का जो डर्ट होता है दैट एक्चुअली गेट ट्रांसफर टू दोज पिलो कवर्स, एंड देन इट कैन बी ट्रांसफर टू आवर फेसेस. तो वॉशिंग योर पिलो कवर in just 2 days is actually something which is so nice to go for, right? These are some of the my tips. Apart from that, makeup के साथ ना सोना and makeup को wipe करना. Then don't go for so oily products, and do choose product according to your skin type. If you are dealing with a dry skin, then definitely heavy moisturizers will be good for you. If you are dealing with the normal skin, तो के लिए तो कुछ भी चलता है, they can go for whatever they want. But अब ऑयली स्किन वाले अगर ऑयली मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करेंगे, सो दैट विल एक्चुअली बी नॉट गुड, बिकॉज एक्सेस ऑयल इन आवर स्किन इज नेवर एवर गुड, right? So removing excess oil from your skin is actually something so great which you should follow if you want to protect your face from acne, scars or whatever, right? So these are some of the tips which you should follow if you want to have a nice clear skin. The remedies which I wanted to tell you is, if you are going through a common acne, means कभी कभी एक दो पिंपल आ जाना is actually so common, क्योंकि हमने कभी सोते वक्त अपना मेकअप किया हुआ और फेस नहीं वॉश किया, मेकअप के साथ सो गए. सो हैविंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ पिंपल इज एक्चुअली सो कॉमन. सो फॉर दैट आप क्या कर सकते हो? Personally, what I love is to go for a multani mitti, or can say a fuller cert, is something like which works miraculously for me, right? Whenever I used to get a single pimple or something, like I will also be mentioning up the clip, right? In which basically what I used to do, I used to have a pinch of or can say a spoon of like a fuller's earth, and then I mix it up with a rose water, and I just only use it at the places where I do have pimple, and then I leave it for overnight, and then सुबह उठ के, ये नहीं कि उसको ऐसे छुड़ाने लगे, बिकॉज रात भर में होता क्या है, जो मलतानी मिट्टी है बहुत ज़्यादा टाइटन अप हो चुकी थी, उसको बहुत ही रगड़ वगड़ के नहीं धोना. यू नीडेड टू बी सो माइल्ड विथ योर फेस, राइट, वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग पिम्पल और समथिंग. सो बेसिकली 4-5 बार को आप जब पानी से फेस अपना धोते हो, तो वो मास्क जो होता है वो सॉफ्टन अप हो चुका होता है, एंड देन ईजिली जस्ट मसाज इट. Next tip that I wanted to tell you is to go for a neem water. Just take some neem leaves, boil it in water, then wash your face with that water. It's actually something so great if you are having pimples or acne on your face. So these are some of the my tips and tricks that I used to go for whenever I do have pimples or acne, a common pimple sign. But severe acne और वो नहीं treat हो रहे हैं, किसी की मत सुनिए. Don't Google it, don't go on YouTube it. कुछ फर्क नहीं आने वाला. Believe me. Just go to dermat, get a nice treatment, and that will be okay. Apart from that, the products I recommended you can work nice, but before using them, please visit to a dermat, or I can say just ask the medical store boy, basically a physician, right? Because that is someone who can tell you कि हाँ वो आपके स्किन के लिए सही होगा कि नहीं होगा. बिकॉज सबकी स्किन टाइप बहुत अलग होती है, सबकी चीज़ें बहुत अलग होती हैं, सबका फेस बहुत अलग होता है, सबकी स्किन पिंपल इश्यूज सब कुछ बहुत अलग है. सो डोंट बी लाइक कि उसको सूट कर गया तो मुझे भी सूट कर जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. देयर आर ऑलवेज द केस ऑफ प्रॉबिलिटी है. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ केस ऑफ प्रॉबिलिटी. सूट कर भी सकता है, सूट नहीं भी कर सकता. सो प्लीज़ ऐसे मामलों में डॉक्टर के पास ही जाएं. ऐसे नेट पे अपने सोल्यूशंस ना ढूंढें. So my beauties, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, do share with your friends, do comment your opinions, your things, that whether you liked it and whether you didn't like it. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, link will be in the description box. And the products I told you about, definitely all of the links will be in the description box. So don't forget to check it out, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so every time I'm gonna post a new video, you will get notified. Till then, bye bye, take care, lots and lots of love. Do take care of yourself, and please, मेरी बात याद रखना, don't experiment with your skin.